Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you are going to be cleaning my living room with me, and I'm also going to be cleaning my room. As you can see, this place is so messy, guys. So we spend most of our time in the sitting room. My children's toys are all over the place, and my dining area is a little bit messy as well. And you can see the side table, you can see a bowl of cereal there as well. And this is because we spend most of the time in the living room. I'm also going to be cleaning my room as well, guys. My room is also very messy. I just woke up this morning and I've not even laid my bed. The floor is messy everywhere. It's so messy. So I'm just gonna be showing you and just get motivated, guys. So if you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. Please go on, hit the subscribe button if you're new. And also, please do not forget to hit the bell, because that bell will notify you each time we upload a new video. So guys, let's get cleaning. I hope you all get motivated with this cleaning video. It's gonna be a speed clean, and I'm just gonna leave you to relax and enjoy this video. One thing I do when doing cleaning like this, I love to listen to music. You might see me in this video shaking my body. Just understand that I am dancing to the rhythm, although I try to edit dancing part, but please just bear with me. And you might also see my lips shaking is because I'm singing to the music. So one thing that keeps me going is listening to music. It makes my job easier. I just enjoy the atmosphere, you know, when I am listening to music and doing my cleaning. It just makes the job much more easier for me. So guys, give this a try. You will like it. Just put on your favorite music and do the cleaning, and you will see what I'm talking about. I don't want to bore you with my talking. I will just leave you to enjoy this video, and guys, stay motivated and keep watching.
Knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you taught me a renegade. Through all my lows, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened.
take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you?